So hi team, this is a video demo for our client that some contacts are showing twice in the mobile app. So the client stated here this contact is added from her phone book, but it show up twice. So I tried to investigate this. I investigated these users. So I started on the virtual office by getting this email here. So this is the email. So when I check on the virtual office, they have this user or prospect has 5 accounts. So they have the same name and the same email and the same phone number. Okay, but they are created in a different dates. So since they have this account has this user or prospect has 5 accounts, he has a different ID number. So as you can see here, it's ended with 77. The one here is ended with 65. The other is 61, and the other is 93, and the other is 33. So I have an information from the virtual office, so I checked that on the mobile endpoint. So I added the email here, but it's not showing up. So the alternative way is to search the first name, and still it's not showing up. So let's try one of the user, example Katrina. As you can see, it will show up here. Okay, so the problem with this user is even if you search the first name, just like what I did on this account, the first name, it's not showing up on the endpoint, but the problem, it is on the client's mobile device. It is showing under the contact manager. So this is the problem of this concern of our client. Okay, thank you.